First and foremost, for the safety and well-being of students and staff, students will be required to wear face coverings while on all school property. All face coverings must cover the nose and mouth and may not contain holes, valves, or mesh material. Before heading off to school, students should undergo a daily at-home health screening using the LCS COVID-19 home screening questions. Students should be kept at home when they are sick or exhibiting any signs or symptoms of illness. When students arrive at the school building, an at-school health screening will be completed as they enter. Students exhibiting symptoms will be required to wait in an isolation area until they can be transported home. At LCS, we have taken a number of steps to ensure physical distancing throughout the school day. At least 6 feet, or about 2 arms length, will be maintained in classrooms, hallways, restrooms, offices, and other common areas. Personal hygiene is also an important measure in reducing the spread of COVID-19, and students will be encouraged to wash their hands often with soap and water for 20 seconds. Hand sanitizer will also be available in classrooms and throughout the school building. LCS will adhere to CDC cleaning guidelines to maintain safe and healthy facilities. These include routine disinfecting of high-touch surfaces, such as door handles, frequent disinfecting of restrooms, sanitization of playground and athletic equipment in between uses by groups of students, and thorough cleaning of classrooms after students have left the building. Parents or guardians should notify their school administrator or school nurse in the event that their child shows symptoms of COVID-19 or tests positive for COVID-19. LCS staff will work with the local health department for contact tracing and notify any staff and parents or guardians of any student who may have been exposed. Any exposed areas in which a symptomatic individual or an individual who tested positive for COVID-19 will be properly cleaned and disinfected, and LCS staff will consult with the local health department to determine if closure of facilities or school buildings is warranted, and if so, for how long. On our website, LCS will provide a daily update of new positive COVID-19 cases reported. We know this year has been challenging, but we are looking forward to safely returning to in-person instruction for students.